Guangzhou Heng Construction Technology Co., Limited, founded in Guangzhou, China. As the world's new advanced wall material technology and cutting-edge technology base, Guangzhou Heng Company is positioned as the world's greenest environmental protection wall equipment manufacturer. It is one of the incubators of new materials for independent innovation in China. Hengde is a high-tech enterprise integrating manufacturing, technology research and development, and sales. New materials, new technologies, new type of equipment. Over the years, Guangzhou Heng technical team members have been focusing on application and technological innovation of foam concrete in the world's most active area concrete market. In the long term, the company cooperates with professional institutions in the sector, and in 2017, it signed an exclusive license for China with the German company Luga. The Germany's advanced technology applied to China's new wall material market. Guangzhou Heng is focused on environmental protection and its creation, efficient green building materials equipment. Committed to becoming a world-class green building materials enterprise and industry-leading brand. Participated in a series of national drafting and lightweight building materials industry standards. Guangzhou Heng has developed a series of new processes for lightweight walling materials and automated production lines. Has become an industrial model. After years of precipitation and accumulation, Guangzhou Heng upholds quality as gold, integrity-based development concept. Step by step to consolidate the leading position in the industry, Guangzhou Heng have been focusing on CLC lightweight concrete, technological innovation, R&D and manufacturing. The lightweight foam brick production line. Waterproof aerated concrete block production line. Abs self-insulation block production line. CLC lightweight partition wall panel production line. And waterproof ALC wall panel production line. And GSC hollow wall panels, embedded reinforced cement wall panels, and other production equipment. Guangzhou Heng new integrated technology and equipment can produce CLC, AAC, and other different series of products, such as CLC lightweight aeration block and high-density waterproof aeration block, ceramide block, Abs self-insulation block, composite self-insulation block, CLC lightweight partition board, waterproof ALC wallboard, GLC hollow wall panels, etc. A variety of new environmentally friendly wall materials. The technological content of products ranks at the forefront of the industry. Guangzhou Heng combines the market demand of different countries and regions, continuously optimize the versatility of equipment and production lines, vigorously develop various types of tailing slag industrial solid waste, and comprehensive utilization of construction waste and other resources, produce new wall materials that meet international standards, while addressing energy conservation and environmental protection issues, realize the international recycling of bulk solid waste, continue to contribute to the global environmentally friendly building industry. Guangzhou Heng, new energy saving and environmentally friendly building materials technology research and development center, present before people's eyes. Currently developed by Guangzhou Heng. Slotted homogeneous Abs self-insulation air block, perfect solution to common thermal bridge problems in the market. Favored by the market, the non-autoclave technology of CLC is different from the traditional autoclave gas fillet block, can meet the requirements of building energy efficiency of more than 75%. Common lightweight wall equipment, unable to produce truly stable and durable uniform self-insulating block. Now in many regions of the world, the market demand for high-quality lightweight self-insulating blocks continues to grow. Guangzhou Heng addresses the situation, combining advanced international process technology with the company's more than 20 years of experience in the market. Continue to introduce equipment and automated production lines, which suitable for the production of various composite light panel materials. Compared to most competitors in the industry, we have many technical advantages, including foaming uniformity, and curing technology, and cutting precision, and other core technology. As is well known, the strength of concrete decreases after foaming and puffing. In order to meet the requirements of architectural design for product strength and meet the building material standards of different countries and regions, the technicians of Guangzhou and company focus on tackling key problems, visited many countries around the world, bring in advanced foreign technology and equipment, introduce advanced technology at all costs, combining the technology platform of Lucca, Germany, and the exclusive maintenance technology of UKCDS, set the core advantages of various process technologies. High-temperature autoclave without high energy consumption, adopt low-temperature steam curing technology, replace traditional high-temperature and high-pressure boilers and autoclaves, meet the requirements of low-carbon and environmental protection production. Filling the domestic technology gap. In the concrete foaming process section, we use a well-developed special foaming agent, combined with international advanced technology. Excellent foam stabilization effect from within the concrete, generate uniform and fine individual pores, achieve the ideal honeycomb hole shape and aperture, increase strength assurance and other functionality. It has been approved by the Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Energy. Awarded the 2016 German Raw Material Efficiency Award, the award recognizes the technology's significant contribution to the global about energy efficiency of lightweight walls and buildings, about high-precision cutting technology. Due to the particularity of light wall materials, such as self-insulating blocks, the cutting process is very demanding. Guangzhou Hengde adopts international advanced high-precision cutting technology, high-precision and durability, high-speed gantry cutting saw. It solves the non-standard cutting size caused by traditional technology, such as circular saw and reciprocating saw, high scrap rate, slow speed, large loss, and other problems. Hand cutting system has more advanced technical advantages to meet the production needs of customers in different countries and regions. Customized production equipment and production line upgrading for customers. Good projects suitable for local development. We are in South China. Xinjiang and other places have established production bases. We have established long-term cooperative relations with major well-known brand enterprises. At the same time, it has been working with the China Academy of Building Material Science for a long time, South China University of Technology, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Boston Institute for Advanced Study, and other well-known institutions at home and abroad. Strengthen the technical exchange of new building materials. Customers throughout South and Central Asia, South America, Africa, and other more than 100 countries and regions obtained a good market reputation. 100 sails compete for 1,000 sails. Riding the wind and waves is sailing away. We are in the midst of an era of green development. Willing to work together with you. Win-win cooperation. Contribute to a beautiful art with green building technology.